Welcome to the Cups of Consciousness show. I am Aleya, your host. I'm a doctor of Oriental medicine, a sound healer, the author and founder of the 7 Cups of Consciousness. I have produced 9 sound healing albums and have recorded over 2,000 meditations online. I am an energy practitioner and help people shift their consciousness using their energetic fields. And this show is all about using your energetic fields to shift your consciousness, as well as exploring energetic concepts that help you create a more empowered and connected life. This episode is an energetic session that explores concepts, energetic practices, and protocols that are similar to a prayer, which help you transform particular aspects of your life. When you listen, recognize that some part of you is using your energetic fields to shift your vibration, which in turn shifts your consciousness, your behaviors, your beliefs, how you react and respond. You might even go into an altered state, so use caution if you're driving or doing something that requires a focused mind. With all of this work that I present, remember that it is your energy shifting you in your own unique way. That way you stay in control and empower with your process. So take a deep breath in, pull yourself into your line of light, and explore your inner terrain in a safe and supported space. Let's dive in. There was a question about what happens when you have given a bundle of your issue to another person. So if we think of somebody in our life and we value them, we look up to them, we respect them, and or we might have thought that they were more evolved than us, or they had something that we didn't have at any point in time. It could have been really at the beginning of the relationship. It could have been when you were a baby with your parent. It could have been at the beginning of an intimate relationship of like, oh my God, you're an amazing manifestor. Oh, you're so strong and powerful. And unconsciously, energetically, we might give them a bundle of responsibility for supporting us or protecting us or loving us or soothing us, whatever it might be. And so as you become more evolved, more aware, more in energetic capacity, you want to retrieve those bundles that you may have given to others, this incarnation or previous incarnations. And there's a weird thing that can sometimes happen too in relationship is if somebody you have loved, were in an intimate relationship with, and maybe still are in an intimate relationship with, but they attack you, that is a possible indicator that they are attacking you. And when they attack you, they're trying to give you the bundle you gave them back to you. So if the parent is always criticizing you, or the partner is always belittling you or disrespecting you, or the ex-partner is energetically hovering or energetically attacking, maybe they're just trying to give the bundle back that you might have given again without even realizing it. So, energetic protocol process. You take a deep breath in, pull yourself into your line, invite your higher self, body, devas, higher self, and teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides to scan all of the people that you have ever been close to, that you ever looked up to, respected, valued, that you might have given a little bundle of your stuff, your responsibilities for your needs to them. Inviting your higher self, body, devas, higher self, team, spinning your fields in a clockwise direction. Retrieving all responsibility for all of those needs back to you. Retrieving those responsibilities. Retrieving those bundles off of all of those people. Mother, father, all partners, all friends, all children, all colleagues, all healers, all guides, all etheric beings that you have ever looked up to. Retrieve those responsibilities back to you at the level of your higher self, body, devas, higher self, teams where you have capacity to receive it, recognizing when you retrieve those bundles of responsibility, you move into greater empowerment, greater capacity, greater power. For when we hold responsibility for our own needs, we move into greater power. greater safety, greater control, greater capacity. We move into a more harmonic field. So just keep holding space for your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, in teams, working with your energetic fields and the guides, spinning the fields in that clockwise direction, retrieving all of those bundles of responsibility back to you at the level of your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, in a dimension where you have the capacity to hold it. And then as you retrieve those bundles, that responsibility back to you where you have the capacity to hold it, begin configuring your fields, activating appropriate vibrations in your individual divine cosmic loop that enable you to meet those needs vertically, internally, in your divine cosmic loop, in your spark, every single dimension where you're expressing yourself, meeting your needs deep in your core, standing in your power, taking responsibility for meeting your needs deep in your core at a vibrational level, in your line of light. And letting yourself sit in that energy, that waterfall, that stream, meeting your needs deep in your core, retrieving your bundles, holding your bundles on you, in you, for you. And as you meet those needs deep in your core, that creates this bubble around you, your gifts, your wisdom, your mastery, buffering you, protecting you, shielding you, linking you with your passion, your creative juice, your vibrational resources that support, protect in every breath. Take a moment to let yourself sit in that energy, balancing and stabilizing, wrapping your gifts around you, feeling that power as it comes into you, your spark, your loop of light, for you, your body, and teams, updating your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive, gently wrapping you in sheets of rainbow light, letting that integrate. Aho. You have been listening to the Cups of Consciousness show with me, Aleya Dow. Receive a free month of the Cups of Consciousness. Go to 7cupsofconsciousness.com. When you get your free month, you will get 5 cups a week for 4 weeks. You'll also receive access to a live Tall Cup of Consciousness session. Feel free to review the show. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you next time. Aho.